Hey everybody, just want to kind of give you a recap of the first half of the season. So right now we're sitting second in points, tied for second in points, 32 points out of first. So we're going to need a little bit of luck the second half of the season. We're going to need to be more consistent. We're learning every week and I feel like we're improving every week. We just got to find the consistency. We're challenging for podiums pretty much every week, but we got to be challenging for wins. I've got a great group of guys that we're all kind of learning together. And I'm pretty happy with what we've done so far. Really thankful for all my guys and the time that they just sacrificed to come out and do what we love to do. But to this point, we've got 5 podiums, 8 top 10s and 9 races and 1 pole. Unfortunately, the night we got the pole was our only DNF of the season. So we'll continue working on it, continue trying to get better. Overall, I'm pretty happy with what we've done. Really my first season back after sitting out for the last 12 years. So learning everything all over again. Everything's changed since I was running back then. But it's been a lot of fun. It's nice to come out and just go out and enjoy doing what we love to do. Made some great partnerships this year with Skeech Record Service, HSM, Joe's Hand Cleaner, Polar Bear Coolers, Purpose Built Chassis. Mark's been a tremendous help to me this year and really helping me find more speed. Wolf Media Group, Tucker does a great job on the media side and really helping with the photography and the video. We're gonna really try to focus on getting more video out there for you all on the YouTube channel. The second half of the season, we've got 9 races left, including the fall brawl, 8 left in the regular season. So like I said, we're challenging for podiums every week, but certainly we wanna get wins. That's what we go out there for. So we're going to keep trying to do that. We're going to keep trying to give you guys more content that you, the type of content that you want, the videos and the in-car camera and all that stuff. So we'll continue working on that and getting it better. And hopefully we can finish this second half of the season out strong and make a bid for the championship. Appreciate you all following us. Appreciate the support all year long and the support for local short track racing. We've got some more competition here the last couple weeks in the division, which is great. Anytime you can add car count to your local short tracks, that's a great thing. So we'll continue working hard. Appreciate you all coming along.